U.S. State Department approves sale of 40 Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk helicopters to Australia. The Government of Australia has requested to buy 40 Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk helicopters, 88 T700 GE701D engines, 80 installed, 8 spares, 44 AN, AAR-57 counter-missile warning systems, 40 installed, 4 spares, and 96 H764U embedded global position systems with inertial navigation and country unique or future replacement, 80 installed, 16 spares. The proposed sale will replace Australia's current multi-role helicopter fleet with a more reliable and proven system that will allow Australia to maintain the appropriate level of readiness to conduct combined operations. The UH-60 Black Hawk helicopter will improve the Australian Army's ability to deploy combat power to share Australia's strategic environment, deter actions against its interests, and, when required, respond with credible force. Australia will have no difficulty absorbing this equipment into its armed forces. The principal contractor will be Lockheed Martin. The Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk is a 4-blade, twin-engine, medium-lift utility military helicopter manufactured by Sikorsky Aircraft. Named after the Native American warleader Black Hawk, the UH-60A entered service with the U.S. Army in 1979, to replace the Bell UH-1 Iroquois as the Army's tactical transport helicopter. The UH-60 features 4-blade main and tail rotors, and is powered by 2 General Electric T700 turboshaft engines. The main rotor is fully articulated and has elastomeric bearings in the rotor head. The helicopter has a long, low-profile shape to meet the Army's requirement for transporting aboard a C-130 Hercules, with some disassembly. It can carry 11 troops with equipment, lift 2,600 pounds, 1,200 kilograms, of cargo internally or 9,000 pounds, 4,100 kilogram, of cargo, for UH-60L-M, externally by sling. UH-60 Black Hawk is an improved design wide-chord rotor blades, T700 GE701D engines, max 2000 shp or 1500 kilowatts each, improved durability gearbox, integrated vehicle health management system, IVHMS, computer, and new glass cockpit. Production began in 2006. Australia ordered 14 S-70A9 Black Hawks in 1986 and an additional 25 Black Hawks in 1987. The first US-produced Black Hawk was delivered in 1987 to the Royal Australian Air Force. De Havilland Australia produced 38 Black Hawks under license from Sikorsky in Australia, delivering the first in 1988 and the last in 1991. In 1989, the RAAF's fleet of Black Hawks was transferred to the Australian Army. The Black Hawks saw operational service in Cambodia, Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, East Timor and Pakistan. In 2004, the government selected the multi-role helicopter, MRH-90, Taipan, a variant of the NH Industries NH-90, to replace the Black Hawk, even though the Department of Defense had recommended the S-70M Black Hawk. On 10 December 2021, the S-70A9 Black Hawks were retired from service. On the same day, amid issues with the performance of the MRH-90s, the government announced that they would be replaced by up to 40 UH-60M Black Hawks. The government is yet to place an order. The Australian reported that is hoped that 6 UH-60 megaseconds may be delivered in 2023, with all deliveries completed by 2026.